Hi everyone! Welcome to MathDen. Ako po si Denmark. It's time to answer some mathematical problem that is requested by one of my followers. The problem is about rational inequality. Determine the solution set of this rational inequality. So meron tayong x over x minus 2 is less than 1 over x. Ang first step sa pag-solve ng rational inequality is dapat 0 ang nasa kanang bahagi ng inequality. So meron tayong 1 over x, kailangan ma-eliminate natin ang 1 over x at gawing 0. So ang gagawin natin is magsasubtract tayo ng 1 over x sa magkabilang side. We have x over x minus 2 minus 1 over x is less than 1 over x minus 1 over x. So in that way, magiging 0 na ito. Yan. So ang susunod naman is dapat ang left side natin ay single fraction or single rational expression. So ganito yung pag-process natin yan. Kunin ang LCD. So we have x minus 2 times x. Then ang LCD, i-divide sa x minus 2. The answer is x. Then i-multiply sa numerator, x times x is x squared. Then the operation is minus. Then LCD again, x minus 2 times x. I-divide naman sa x. The answer is x minus 2. Then i-multiply sa numerator which is 1. The answer is x minus 2. Pero naka-quantity symbol pa rin. So we have x minus 2. Ayan. So, kailangan natin i-simplify pa to kasi naka-grouping symbol pa siya. Siya ay magiging x squared. Negative times x is negative x. Negative times negative 2 is positive 2. Then, retain lang natin yung denominator. Then, less than 0. Now, tignan natin kung kaya pang i-factor ang numerator kasi ang denominator, wala na tayong problema, nakafactor na siya. So, kung tutusin natin, ang x squared minus x plus 2, kung may factor ba siya, is wala. So, itong quadratic expression na to ay imaginary ang root niya, kaya hindi siya pwedeng i-factor. So, as is na lang siya. Ibig sabihin, ito na yung simplified form ng left side, tapos may 0 na tayo sa kanan. So, doon na tayo magpo-proceed ng pag-solve ng rational inequality. So, ibig sabihin, ang simplified form na nito ay x squared minus x plus 2 all over x minus 2 times x is less than 0. Ayan. Ang susunod naman is kunin natin ang value ng x that will make the expression 0. So, ang titignan natin dito ay kung ano yung magpapa-0 sa numerator. Ito ang numerator natin. Kasi pag 0 na ang numerator, 0 na yung buong expression. Di ba walang magpapa-0 sa expression na to, x squared minus x plus 2? Ibig sabihin, the expression will be 0 at none. So, walang value of x that will make the expression 0. Now, ang susunod naman is the value of x that will make the expression undefined. Ang titignan naman natin doon is value of x that will make the denominator 0. So, ang denominator natin ay x minus 2 times x. So, pag nag-0 ang x, 0 ang denominator, undefined yung expression. So, isulat natin. The expression will be undefined at x is equals to 0. Kasi pag sinubstitute natin ng 0, 0 minus 2 is negative 2 times 0 is 0. Undefined yung expression. Now, meron pa tayong isang value of x that will make it 0. Yun ay positive 2. So, pag sinubstitute natin ng 2, 2 minus 2 is 0, times 2 is 0 pa rin. So, therefore, undefined pa rin siya when x is equals to 2. Now, itong dalawang to, dahil sila ay magpapa-undefined sa expression, they are not included in the domain. They are not included in the domain. Ang susunod naman dito ay mag-create tayo ng number line at ipa-plot natin yung 0 at 2. We have negative infinity up to positive infinity. Then, i-plot natin yung 0. Ang 0 ay nasa gitna, pero hollow circle. So, bakit siya hollow circle? Kasi not included value. And then, positive 2, hollow circle pa rin kasi not included value. Now, nahati ang ating number line ng tatlong interval. Lagyan natin ng division. So, this is the first interval. This is the second interval. And we have the third interval. So, lagyan natin ng interval name, label, rather. So, ang una is negative infinity up to 0. Parehas, parenthesis. Then, we have the second one from 0 up to positive 2. Parehas pa rin, parenthesis. Then, last is we have 2 hanggang positive infinity. Now, maglagay tayo ng test value galing sa interval. So, ang 0, hindi natin pwedeng gamitin dahil not included. Kuha tayo ng nasa kaliwa niya. Ang nasa kaliwa niya is negative 1. Pero pwede pa rin kayong gumamit ng other negative numbers na nasa kaliwa niya. Then sa interval na to, pwede tayong pumili sa kanan ng 0 or sa kaliwa ng 2. So, ang pwede dyan ay positive 1. Then, sa third interval, mas madali kung po tayo sa kanan ng 2. So, ang pinakamalapit na dyan ay 3. Pero, pwede rin ang 4, 5, up to positive infinity. So, ang gagawin natin sa test value is substitute natin siya dito sa ating simplified expression. We have x squared minus x plus 2 all over x minus 2 times x. So, ulit natin i-substitute negative 1 squared minus negative 1 plus 2 all over negative 1 minus 2 times negative 1. Then, simplify natin. Negative 1 squared is positive 1. Negative times negative 1 is positive 1. Then, plus 2. All over, negative 1 minus 2 is negative 3 times negative 1. Now, simplify pa natin. So, we have 1 plus 1 plus 2 is 4. Then ang denominator is negative 3 times negative 1, that is positive 3. So ang result nito is positive. The result is positive. Kasi positive 4/3. Then yung susunod naman, lagyan natin ng division. So positive 1 ang i-substitute natin. We have 1 squared minus positive 1 plus 2 all over 1 minus 2 times positive 1. Simplify further, we have 1 squared, 1 minus 1 plus 2. Ang denominator is 1 minus 2 is negative 1 times positive 1. Then simplify further, 1 minus 1 is 0 plus 2 is positive 2. Denominator is negative 1 times 1. The answer is negative 1. So, ang result naman dito ay negative. Kasi positive 2 divided by negative 1 is negative 2. Now, yung last interval natin, ang test value niya is 3. So, substitute natin. Squared minus positive 3 plus 2 all over 3 minus 2 times 3. And simplify natin, 3 squared is 9 minus 3 plus 2 all over 3 minus 2 is 1 times 3. Simplify further, we have 9 minus 3 is 6, plus 2 is positive 8. Then 1 times 3 is 3. So the result is positive. Ayan. So kumpleto na ang ating test value and results. So, dyan manggagaling yung solution set ng ating rational inequality. So, tignan natin kung simplified form. Ang pinapahanap dyan ay less than 0. So, ang ibig sabihin ng less than 0, since we are looking for less than 0, those are negative numbers. So, ang titignan nating result ay negative. So, ito yung result. Nandito ang negative. Kung ano yung interval niya sa taas, yun yung solution set. Therefore, the solution set of this rational inequality is from 0 up to positive 2, pero not included ang 0 at